Hi Anand, welcome to all of you in my channel Join for Education. Today I am going to discuss about different structure of past imperfect or past continuous or past progressive. So all of these three are same, and this is a kind of past tense, and tense is a most important chapter of English grammar. Subject was, where, any one of these two. Fourth form of the verb plus object is the active, assertive or affirmative structure of past imperfect or past continuous or progressive tense. Let us consider about some examples related to this structure. I was reading a book. We were reading a book. You were reading a book. They were reading a book. Ram was reading a book. If we consider about the use of the was and where, then was is used with first person singular number and third person singular number, and where is used with first person plural number, second person singular and plural number, and third person plural number. If we consider about the fourth form of the verb, then if we add ing in the first form of the verb, then we get the fourth form of the verb. So it is very easy to understand a structure and examples related to this structure. Was, where plus subject plus fourth form of the verb plus object and not of interrogation. This is the interrogative structure of past imperfect, continuous or progressive tense. Let us consider about some examples related to this structure. Was I reading a book? Not of interrogation. Were we reading a book? Were you reading a book? Were they reading a book? Was Ram reading a book? So all of these are the examples related to this structure. Subject plus was, where plus not plus fourth form of the verb plus object. This is the negative structure of past imperfect, continuous or progressive tense. Let us consider about some examples related to this structure. I was not reading a book. We were not reading a book. You were not reading a book. They were not reading a book. And last, Ram was not reading a book. All of these are the examples of this structure or negative structure of past imperfect or continuous or progressive tense. Object plus was were plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. This is the passive structure of past imperfect or past continuous or past progressive tense. So this is also known as we convert active structure into passive structure. Then we write the object of the active structure instead of subject in passive structure, and we write the subject of the active structure in the place of or instead of object of the passive structure. So object plus was were, any one of these two, plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject is the passive structure of past imperfect, continuous or progressive tense. Let us consider about some examples related to this structure, which are as follows. A book was being read by me. A book was being read by us. A book was being read by you. A book was being read by them. A book was being read by Ram. All of these are the example of the passive structure of past imperfect or past continuous or past progressive tense. So if we consider about then past imperfect or past continuous or past progressive are the same. Thanks to watch. Thank you very much to stay with me till the last details of the past imperfect, past continuous or progressive tense, or different structure of the past imperfect, past continuous or past progressive tense. Once again I recap. Past imperfect, the first structure is assertive, affirmative or active, any one of these three. Second structure is interrogative. Third structure is negative, and fourth structure is passive. So hope that there is no problem to understand the details of the different structure of past imperfect or past continuous or past progressive tense. Hope that these details will be useful to all audience who are interested in English grammar. Once again, I thanks to all of you.